Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then up here while the motor's off, you pull this dipstick all the way out, and then wipe it clean with a rag or paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in, and then pull it all the way back out again. And on the end here, you'll see this little grid pattern. Towards the left is your full, and towards the right is your low. So if it's towards the low, you want to add some. So stick this all the way back in. And then this cap is where we would add your new oil to, so make sure you get the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But from here, you just unscrew this cap. And with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill. But screw on tight when you're done. And then at that point, I would turn on the motor to circulate the new oil for like 5 seconds or so, turn it off. And then I check your oil level again, just to make sure that you're towards the full level. So again, pull it out, wipe it clean, stick it in, and then see where we're at. And then you shouldn't do any of this in place of your regular oil changes, which typically between 3,000 and 8,000 miles or so you'll do, depending on mileage of your motor, type of oil, things like that. But to do that, typically put the vehicle on a slight lift to get to the oil pan, to pull the plug, drain all the old oil out, replacing the filters as needed, screw on the plug nice and tight again, and then add as the recommended amount of oil for your particular motor. Screw this on nice and tight, and then start the motor again for like 5 seconds to get the new oil circulated, turn it off, and then the same process in the very beginning of checking this dipstick, just to make sure we're at the full. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.